Hello students, let's see some solved problems based on convex and concave lens. Okay, so before starting to solve problems, let's revise this sign convention for lens. Okay, so when we go in upward direction from principal axis we take positive, when we go downward direction from principal axis we take negative. Okay, so when we go with the direction of incident ray we take positive, and when we go opposite to direction of incident ray we take negative distance. Okay, so you can also say that when we go right side from the optical center we take distances positive, when we go left side from the optical center we take distances negative. Okay, one thing you remember that the focal length of a convex lens is always positive. Focal length of convex lens is always positive, and focal length of concave lens is always negative. Okay, always take focal length of concave lens negative. Okay, now distance we always take negative. Okay, in both the cases whether it is a convex lens or a concave lens we take distance always negative. Okay, so let's start with problems. So this is a first problem. An object is situated at a distance f by 2 from a convex lens of focal length f. Okay, find the distance of image. So here we have a distance. Okay, distance of object, so u is equal to minus f by 2. Okay, because we take distance of object negative from optical center. Okay, now focal length of convex lens we take positive, so f is equal to plus f. Now our lens formula is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. So we need to find out value of v. Okay, so rearrange this formula. So 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f plus 1 upon u. Now put all values with sign. Okay, so put value of f is plus f. Okay, and value of u is minus f by 2. So we will get v is equal to minus f. Okay, so this is the position of image, v is equal to minus f. So this is the answer of this problem. Okay, now let's move to next problem. So this is the next problem. So problem is a converging lens of focal length 5 centimeter. So converging lens is a convex lens, so right here convex lens. Okay, focal length 5 centimeter. So we know that focal length of a convex lens is positive, so f is equal to plus 5 centimeter. Okay, is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from a screen. Okay, so this is a distance between lens and a screen. Okay, so image will form on a screen, so it is a distance between lens and a image. Okay, so this distance is how much? 20 centimeter. So v is equal to plus 20 centimeter. Okay, plus sign is because image will form on a right side of a lens, so this is plus 20 centimeter. Now we need to find out the distance of object from lens. Okay, and image is real image. Okay, so image is obviously we studied the image formation by a convex lens. So in a convex lens real image is always formed on a right side of a lens. Okay, so apply a lens formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Then rearrange this formula, you will get 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon f. Now put values with sign. V is equal to plus 20 and f is equal to plus 5. You will get the value of u minus 6.6 centimeter. Okay, so just take care of when you taking a sign, because it is very important. If you take a wrong sign then you will get a wrong answer. Okay, so take care of when you will take a sign of quantities. Now read the next question. So this is a question number 3. Next question: at what distance should an object be placed from a convex lens? So a lens is a convex lens, okay, of focal length 18 centimeter. So we know that focal length of a convex lens is positive, so it is plus 18 centimeter. To obtain an image at 24 centimeter from it on the other side. On the other side means right side. Okay, तो राइट साइड में the value is positive, so v is equal to plus 24 centimeter. Then we need to find out the value of u. So we have a value of f and v, so apply a length formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Okay, so rearrange it, you will get 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon f. So put all the values with sign, plus 24 and value of f is plus 18. You will get value of u minus 72 centimeter. So minus indicates that the object is at a left side of a lens. Okay, object is at a left side of a lens. Now magnification, formula of magnification is v upon u. Okay, so put the value of v with a sign and value of u with a sign, you will get minus 1 by 3. So minus means image form is real and inverted. माइनस क्या बताता है कि जो इमेज फॉर्म हो रही है वो कैसी है, रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड. एंड 1/3 मीन्स इट इज़ अ डिमिनिश्ड. ओके, इमेज फॉर्म इज अ डिमिनिश्ड बिकॉज इट इज लेस देन 1. दिस क्वांटिटी इज लेस देन 1, सो अ इमेज फॉर्म इज diminished. Okay, now let's see another question. So this is a question. An erect image 2.0 centimeter high is formed 12 centimeter from a lens, the object being 0.5 centimeter high. Find the focal length of the lens. Okay, so in this question size of image is given, so h dash is equal to 2 centimeter. This is a so erect image, so we will take plus sign. Okay, so 2 centimeter, then is formed 12 centimeter from a lens. Okay, so it is forming it 12. So we know in a convex lens erect image is only formed in a sixth case. Okay, only sixth case है जिसमें कि convex lens जो है उससे जो इमेज फॉर्म होती है वो कैसे होती है, इरेक्ट होती है. तो ये जो इमेज फॉर्म होती है कौन सी साइड में फॉर्म होती है, लेफ्ट साइड में. ठीक है, आप इमेज फॉर्मेशन देखें जो सिक्स्थ केस है उसमें इमेज जो फॉर्म होती है वो कहाँ फॉर्म होती है, लेफ्ट साइड में. तो लेफ्ट साइड हम लेते हैं नेगेटिव, तो इमेज की डिस्टेंस यहाँ कैसी ली जाएगी, नेगेटिव. सो माइनस 12 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, नाउ ऑब्जेक्ट के हाइट दी हुई है आपको 0.5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, तो h इज इक्वल टू 0.5 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ वैल्यू मैग्निफिकेशन का फॉर्मूला लगाएं आप, क्या होता है, h डैश अपॉन h इज इक्वल टू v अपॉन u. सो रीअरेंज करें तो u इज इक्वल टू आ जाएगा v h बाय h डैश. सो पुट वैल्यूज विद अ साइन, सो यू विल गेट -3 सेंटीमीटर. सो दिस इज अ position of a object from a lens. So minus means object is situated at left side of a lens, है ना. माइनस का मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट जो सिचुएट कर रहा है वो कहाँ सिचुएटेड है, लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ अ लेंस. ओके, नाउ अप्लाई अ लेंस फॉर्मूला 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. So you will get a focal length 4 centimeter. Okay, so this is a focal length of a convex lens. Okay, f is equal to 4 centimeter. Let's see here next formula, this fifth question. So here is a question, a lens of focal length 20 centimeter is used to produce a 10 times magnified image of a film slide on a screen. How far must the slide be placed from the lens? Okay, so the value is given is focal length. So focal length we know, for a convex lens focal length is positive, so plus 20 centimeter. मैग्निफिकेशन इज 10 टाइम्स मैग्नीफाइड इमेज. ओके, और ये जो इमेज बन रही है कहाँ बन रही है, स्क्रीन पर. तो स्क्रीन पर अगर ये इमेज बन रही है तो ये कैसी होगी, रियल और इन्वर्टेड. ठीक है, स्क्रीन पर इमेज बनने का मतलब है कि इमेज जो है वो कैसी है, रियल है. तो रियल इमेज है तो वो इन्वर्टेड भी होगी. ठीक है, तो इसलिए यहाँ पर जो साइन आएगा क्या आएगा, माइनस का. ठीक है, तो -10 और 10 टाइम्स मैग्नीफाइड है तो यहाँ 10 आ जाएगा. और माइनस किस लिए आया है, क्योंकि ये इमेज रियल और इन्वर्टेड है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ आ गया -10. ओके, ऑब्जेक्ट की डिस्टेंस हमने मान ली -u. तो फॉर्मूला मैग्निफिकेशन का लगा दो आप v अपॉन u. इसमें u क्या कितना रखना है आपको, -u विद द साइन. ओके, और यहाँ पर m आप रखना -10. तो व्हेन यू पुट m इज इक्वल टू -10 यू विल गेट v इज इक्वल टू 10u. ओके, नाउ अप्लाई अ लेंस फॉर्मूला, सो यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ u. ओके, 22 सेंटीमीटर. अप्लाई दिस लेंस फॉर्मूला, पुट द वैल्यूज विद साइन and do calculation. You will get the value of u 22 centimeter. Okay, now value of v you can get by putting a value of u here. Put the value of u is equal to 22 centimeter. Okay, then you will get value of V is equal to 220 centimeter. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand these problems, how to solve these problems. Okay, we will continue this topic and we will solve some more questions.